if you want to work trades and with your hands, you know, pick something that you think you'll enjoy and just work hard at it. You'll get better at it. Everything comes with time.
If you were unsure about it, just go ahead and try it. You're not signing your life away at any point. You get paid from it from the minute you start. And if you like it, it can work out to be a good trade. And if you don't, you can always drop out at any time and do something else that might appeal to you more.
Try it. That's the simplest way you can do it. Just try it. I mean, I thought, well, something to try, you know, and I like it. It's fun.
Say, do it. It's a wicked job. Go for it.
Get a trade, get something where you can earn money, and if you still want to go to university, you've got something you can do during the summer or fall back on when you're not going to school, because bills mount. So definitely keep your nose to the books in high school and maybe think about a trade before you go running off to university.
Stay in school and get your high school education, and then from there it leaves all your avenues open, no matter what you decide. If you decide to get into the construction trades, with your grade 12 you've got a good amount of education, a good amount of background information to take you anywhere you want to go. A lot of the trades need a lot of math and science. There's a lot of chemical science to heating metals and so on. So stay in school and get your math and sciences.
Keep yourself motivated, good motivation, keep yourself healthy, and you'll go a long ways.